Alright, and welcome to part 3 of my video review, my Hot Toys special. I'm not going to edit this one like I did the others. I'm just going to leave the whole lot in so you can feel the excitement with me. My T800. Got him from the same guy, as I said in the other video. Same guy from down the country. Cannot wait to open this figure. Just show you the box real quickly. I don't know how well you can see that. The endoskeleton on the back. I'm going to go ahead and open this. It's a bit tight. Now, oh yeah, don't know how well you can see that in there, if you can see it at all. Probably not. But let's get on to opening them and you have a better view of them. The weight of them already, I can feel it. Definitely different than other Hot Toys. Oh yes, that is 100% Arnold Schwarzenegger right there. Look at this. Focus, focus, focus. That's Arnold Schwarzenegger right there. Look at that, all the wrinkles and everything in the face. And I don't really see anything wrong with that far eye. I've had people complain about it in the past. It looks grand. And I'm just after noticing that the previous owner put the right vest on him as well, so that saves me the hassle doing it, thank God. Oh yes, and it looks like there's nothing missing, as he said in his description. There's the box down now with the roses. There's the endoskeleton arm right there. Sorry. There's the arm right there. I'll take that out and have a look at it in a second. All the other hands. Closed fist and opened. Gun, shades, and the iconic shotgun, which I will be posing with. But I'm going to get this figure out and let you have a closer look at him. Just bear with me for a second. Holy moly, the weight of him. First thing that hits you is the weight of him. And how bulky his chest is. It's like a soft rubber. Oh my god, this is a lot more impressive than I actually thought. Bear with me a second, I'll get better lighting. The lighting is shit. Just one sec. And so here we are. That is one amazing head sculpt. That's just Arnold Schwarzenegger right there. Seriously, I know I said that already. I did not think I was going to be this impressed. Well, I knew I was going to be impressed, but I'm blown away with it. Look at the detail in the leather jacket. It all looks weathered and all the creases are in the right place and everything. It's amazing. What a job by Hot Toys. Amazing, amazing. Can't get over this. The pants look brilliant. The shoes, they even look weathered. They look like they were worn before. All on the toes of them there, if you can see that. And the zips that look like they really work, which with no surprise of Hot Toys, I'd imagine they do. The other side. Oh yeah. yeah, really happy with this. I'll stick a shade and all on them, and I'm actually going to be a hypocrite now. I'm going to do a cut, and when I come back I'll have his shades and a shotgun in his hand. It's just a little awkward doing it with one hand. Right, so here he is with the shades on. Looks even better again, the figure. He looks so much better with the shades on. That's just... I don't know what to say, I'm just blown away by this figure. Definitely delighted with getting him as well. But I've put the shotgun in his hand. It's probably a pose you see most collectors have him in. Put the closed fist in his hand as well. Sorry, just put the closed fist in him there. I have him on the stand now as well. If you can see that. T800. Terminator 2 Judgment Day there. But great figure, great figure. You can't explain it really until you hold one of these, what they're like. Like, you can look at them in these videos all day and they look cool on video, but to have them in hand, it's just a different story altogether. I do not regret buying any of the figures I've bought, and I've spent a fair whack now recently. This is a collection only in the last couple of months apart bar 2 figures, and I've got my 2 1989 Batman figures coming soon, the Joker and the Michael Keaton, as you've heard me say loads of times, but the weight is killing me. I suppose this will satisfy me until then. But the guy I bought this off, I know he's selling, well, he has a Terminator 1 Arnold Schwarzenegger T800 if anyone's interested in buying them. If you give me a sec, I'll get his name offline. His name is Chanel 111181. Check him out. If you send him an email or whatever, I'm sure he will give you a good price for the figure. Oh yeah, you get this endoskeleton arm. Really nice paint work on this by Hot Toys. It looks wet. You can see the flesh down there. Well, hopefully you can see that. Looks real. The paint, the blood that they've done, the paint work on it, it looks wet, the whole thing. These fingers are fully articulated, which is really cool. Fuck you! You also get the box which you see him in the movie, where he carries the roses and hides the shotgun. I don't know if I'll put them in that pose, I might do. The roses are in there. You can see them. Nice paint job on them. So yeah, apart from a couple of weapons there, the accessories you get with them. He threw in 2 things he didn't have to. One being the original Hot Toys box. I love when they give me them. I like to have them, as I said in previous videos. And this, which I thought was really cool. A picture from Terminator 1. That was sellotaped to the back of the box. So yeah, really happy with that. I want to give a few shout outs. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Mr. Lukey Skywalker. He's always commenting on my videos and asking me questions and stuff, talking to me on YouTube through the messaging. So shout out to you, buddy. Also like to give a shout out to PrayGada611. That person's always commenting on my videos as well and sending me nice comments, so thanks very much. The Joker Clown, who subscribed to me I think yesterday or today, left me 1 or 2 nice comments as well. Thanks very much for that. Said he liked my accent. Thanks. Suppose it's the Irish. Who else have I got? Trying to think off the top of my head here. Wayne's Butler. Really like your reviews, man. Thanks for commenting on mine, and thanks for commenting on my other videos as well. The videos me and my mate do, taking the mick out of movies. Thanks for that nice comment, man. I'll keep it up, so keep an eye out on them. What else have I got? Dean Knight. He comments on my videos all the time, and he does really cool reviews. Thanks for that, buddy. And hopefully you leave me a nice comment on these videos as well. So thanks for that, man. Delfer70. Always comment on my videos as well. Shout out to you, buddy. Wishmaster59 left me a few comments there. Thanks, man. Thanks for subscribing and watching my videos. And Shells 075. Thanks for watching my videos as well, and I've been checking out some of your videos. They're really cool. Just keep up the good work, man. And just back to Wayne's Butler, thanks for giving me some helpful advice on my joke on how to glue the buttons back on. I will take that, and once I do that, I'll show you in one of my videos. So thanks for that, man, and keep up the videos, man. Look forward to seeing some new of your dioramas. And China Boy 888 as well, he commented on me once or twice, so thanks, buddy. So yeah, thanks for watching me 3 videos if you've watched 3 of them, and try checking out some of my other videos. I do speed painting videos and all that as well, and once I get my other figures I will I'll do reviews. So sound, and I'll see you all soon.